As soon as I was gonna talk to you guys, the light turned green. I'll be back. Damn, the sun is in my face. All right, good morning, guys. So we are back at it again. It's Sunday, so you know I had to come out to the hill today. I got my girl Bianca with me. Hey. So we're gonna go get this workout in, and I'll talk to you guys later. I just dropped my friend off. We did our workout and I just dropped her off at home. I'm heading home now, but I think today's gonna just be like a chill day for me. I really need to take Ava's hair out, but I don't know. I really don't feel like it. So what I like to do whenever I take her hair out, like if she has braids in her hair, I take those out. And I like to let her hair just be out for a little bit, just to like give it a break and let it breathe. But I need to do like a hair mask, and I don't have all the things that I need at home to make one, so I don't know if I'm gonna do that today. But I don't know. I don't think I'm gonna be doing too much today. I just kind of want to chill a little bit. I want to like relax. I want to read a book. Look at my nails. My nails look a mess. I had painted, this one looks sad. I painted my nails Thanksgiving. During quarantine, I bought like a little gel polish kit. So I've been painting my nails myself, but I really need a pedicure. But that, I need them to like scrub these dogs. So I really want to go to like a nail salon and get a pedicure, but I can like paint my nails myself. I don't mind the pedicure so much because they're not like in your face, you know, they're by your feet. So it's a little distance there. And of course you wear your mask. But the nails, I don't know, I'm just not so comfortable with it, because I know they have like the little plexiglass thing up, or the, you know, the barrier, but still like they're like right there in front of you. So my nails, I think I'll keep doing those myself and just get my feet done. If I find some time today where Ricky can sit with the kids, I don't know if he has plans, then maybe I can go get a pedicure today. I don't know, because we were supposed to go get one together. I'm all over the place, y'all. I don't know, but whatever. I just want to chill, and maybe I'll like do my nails today, do a little face mask. I would love to read a book. Do you guys like reading? Can somebody tell me, any other moms out there, do you find that like you used to love reading, but now that you've had your children, you never have time? I love reading books, and every time I sit down to try and read a book, somebody wants me, whether it's Ava calling me for whatever, who knows, or Raina needing to be breastfed. I mean, Jesus, I literally like just never get the time to read a book anymore. Little things. I haven't eaten anything yet, so I guess my first thing is to go home, shower, eat something, and then I'll just like take it from there. Okay, so I decided to stop at the grocery store real quick. I have a taste for like some seafood, so I think I'm gonna do like a little shrimp boil situation. So I just pulled up to the grocery store. I hate wearing these masks. I just pulled up to the grocery store, and I'm just gonna go in here, grab some stuff before I head home to do like a little like a shrimp boil. Shower, and I already fed Raina. Now I'm about to start. Okay, so while my food is in the oven, I'm gonna go ahead and do some editing while I have a little bit of a second. Raina just laid down for a nap, and Ava's in the living room playing with her papa and her Mima. And I just turned on a Christmas movie. I recorded it the other day. Dear Christmas it's called, and I didn't get a chance to watch it. So I think today's just gonna be, you know, chill day. I'm gonna edit some videos, watch some Christmas movies on Lifetime, eat my food, and chill out. Oh, and wine time. Rain asleep. I pumped. She has 2 bottles in the refrigerator ready to go, and she has her milk bags in the freezer. So cheers to wine o'clock. Look who took a little cat nap. Hi, Raina. Did you take a little cat nap? Did you take a little cat? Did you trick mommy? I thought I had a second. You tricked me. I'm about to tear into this food, guys. I'll holler at you guys tomorrow. Yum.